Taryn Chapman-Harvey has withheld a fascination for the living world for almost her entire life. At a very young age, she was determined to pursue a life of science and a focus in marine biology. After cutting open human cadavers in her high school AP anatomy class, she knew she was bound to pursue a degree in biology. She accomplished just that at the University of Iowa. After achieving her undergrad, she went on to study marine biology at Eckerd University in Florida. While there, she worked in an internship through the University of Southern Florida, studying marine organic paleogeography. Her research there involved taking large samples deep below the ocean floor to study its composition and uncover the many life forms that existed thousands of years ago. After her second graduation, she worked for the state of Florida to aid in wildlife restoration. While working, she found a great opportunity to communicate her work with the general public. She would speak to local fishermen about the work she was doing in order to inform them how they were changing the underwater habitat. At this point, she knew that her studies would not go unnoticed. She had a growing passion for writing about science that was sure to stick around. Her next step in life was to go back in school so she could work in a molecular medicine lab and practice bringing her findings to the general public. She performed in-depth studies of viruses such as the West Nile, which has caused hundreds of American fatalities in the past decade. She says that she really enjoys studying viruses because they have the potential to greatly affect people. When she reaches out to the public, she is able to inform them of something that could potentially impact their life. Today, Taryn works for a lab of engineers. While they are busy creating devices to advance medical technology, she is testing the usefulness of these products and writing about them to inform the public of what someday could be an aid in the cure of many untreatable diseases. She is helping study a brand new device that allows cells to take on a vaccine under the skin without ever using a needle. This tool is not only groundbreaking for anyone out there who is scared of sharp objects, but is also extremely effective at enabling the cells to accept the vaccination so it can quickly work to fight off disease. She has been practicing writing about her scientific research for many years now and wishes she would have had writing education in college long ago. She is surprised at the deficiency of the writing ability of students she has taught this far. It's a big problem, she says. Scientists all over are making remarkable discoveries but aren't able to communicate them through writing in a way that the general public can understand. Her writing success can be largely attributed to her individual practices. She actively reads scientific journals and even edits the writing of her peers to help improve her own communication. Taryn has only just begun her career as a scientist and a science writer, but she is hopeful that through her research, writing, and teaching, she will be able to make the world a better place and to help people realize the importance of science today.